Okay, we're back with the Briza air cooler. Very simple to do. The back piece, like we took off before, you just pour water in there until it fills up. It holds a nice amount of water. Like I said, these are all air intake holes all around 360, so keep it away from curtains. It's also a little bit higher power, so put it into a surge protector. Try not to have anything else running on it. It's 68 right now, pretty cool, but I'm gonna check it again in an hour, then 2 hours, and see the progress. Comes with a remote. It's not too big. That's my mini fridge in comparison, pretty small. So here's the remote, power, 3 speeds, cool button. That's when it uses the water, makes it cooler. You definitely feel it cooler. And on speed 1, it's pretty high. Hit the swing button. So now you got the swing activated, which is oscillating the fans. And turn it up. That's the highest setting. That's pretty powerful. I'm about halfway across my bedroom and I can still feel it nice. So hopefully this cools the room down. It does get very hot. Alright, we'll keep you updated, let you know the progress.